It's on the mail today. I got my new graphics card from Newegg. Don't know why they put it in such a big box, but whatever. Pretty excited about it. Hopefully it meets standards of playing games that I want to, seeing as my 210 Nvidia GeForce 210 card doesn't cut it for me anymore. Obviously, with a lot of new titles, especially with the release of the 680. A lot of packaging. A lot of packaging. Free Dirt 3 game. Pretty amazing. Also, we have the receipt. That goes with all this. That's going to go for my mail-in rebate that I get the card, and then finally the card. So what we got is Asus HD 6670. It's not like a really top of the line card, but it runs without any extra power supply, 6-pin connector or anything, so I don't need that. Really don't want that. I don't want to upgrade a power supply right now. I'm gonna wait until a little bit later. I trust Asus a lot, so I just decided to buy their cards again. It has 1GB DDR5 RAM, full DirectX 11 support, Infinity multi-display technology, and a dust-proof fan, along with super alloy power. Pretty much. People may be wondering why I'm switching to AMD and not sticking with Nvidia. Reason is because AMD's drivers seem a lot easier to update than the current Nvidia drivers. I was having a lot of trouble updating my 210 a lot, so we open up the actual manufacturing box. It's a nice, full box here. Actually, I'm not going to toss it. God, my camera can't focus. Okay. We get speed setup with some pretty old looking cards. Surely update the pictures. And then drivers. I already have the current driver downloaded on my PC already. We get a nice DVI to VGA adapter. Comes with it. It's nothing else. Nope. We have the card. Seems like it's going to be a challenge to get out. Just a little bit. Sorry that I'm sick, but and here we have our card. Still in its bag. I don't want to take it out until I actually move to putting it in. So that completes this part. And next we'll move to putting it in to the computer. Okay, as you can see, got my case open. It's doing this on the carpet. I wouldn't really recommend doing that. You can also see my old Nvidia GeForce 210 card right here. It's a pretty good card. It's silent, obviously. It's got a nice heat sink. Stays pretty cool. I also have a little side case fan here that helps out. Plays 1080p, 720p movies flawlessly through HDMI on a full 1080p monitor, 24-inch monitor. So there, does have the HDMI audio, which is cool. Didn't use it, but it has it on there. It's a really good card. Doesn't get very hot during movies, that's for sure. I haven't really seen the temperatures during gaming. Does play all of these titles well though. It also maxes out on Sims 3. What else? It also does Autodesk Inventor, like a 300 part assembly. It does that flawlessly as well, but that could also be thanks to the quad core under the water cooler. Like I said, I do use the HDMI right here for my monitor, so all you have to do now is take it out with this screw there, then it just slides out. Save the screw, obviously. Also, if you're switching between a Nvidia card and Radeon card, or Radeon to Nvidia, I would recommend uninstalling your current driver before you switch it. That's what I did before. I obviously opened up the case and everything. I just recommend doing that, and I also have the latest driver for the new card already downloaded, all ready to go. I would also recommend doing that as well. So next time I come back, I'll have it all taken out. Okay, as you can see that my new card is now in here, right here. Also, it kind of matches the whole board, which is really nice touch. I also saved, as I said, my old GT210, just in case I do need it, in case this one fails. Pretty much all you have to do, take out this screw, slide out the old card carefully, put the old card where you want it, slide this one back in, slide the new one in, screw it back on. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now it's back in here, and I'll film it back up once the computer started. Okay, as you can see here, the Windows did boot up. Screen looks really nice. I installed all the drivers and everything. Also, I installed the operating system again. Just same system specs as before. So for this time, we have the new Radeon HD 6670 in there, with the memory size at 1024 megabytes, I want to say. So everything looks really nice. It actually looks better than before. I did have a little bit of trouble with getting it to fill the whole screen, but after browsing the forums, I found the quick fix in the Catalyst Control Center. So yeah, everything working really good. Okay, I want to guess that temperature 1 is the GPU, the very top one. So if it's running at 22, it's either top temperature 1 or temperature 3. Either way, those are both pretty good for idle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully more updates to come soon.